really quick. So my name's Dee. I am in healthcare, and obviously I am an affiliate marketer, and you guys have watched probably a ton of my TikToks. So I just wanted to be a little more transparent. So what I do is I help people like you build a business online. That can be around anything that you love talking about, your passion, your hobbies. What I like about what I do is my business, you do not need a funnel to put your links in. What I teach you is how to build that business using Facebook groups, and short form video creation to promote your products. So if this is any interest of you and you have been, wading around in murky water trying to find clarity of how to build a business online, guys, join my Facebook group. It's over in my profile. That's all you have to do is click on the link. It's going to take you to my Facebook group. Join there. You have to answer 3 questions. Once you're in there, if you are interested in learning about what I do and how you can build a business online, branding yourself, then guys, reach out to me. Have a great day.